President Trump, it's great to have you here. Can you tell me your secret to getting wealthy?
It is not a secret. It is like the old saying amongst us is own nothing and control everything. Own nothing and control everything. The rich like myself have been doing this for decades. Liberty Aid Academy can show you how with proof.
Yes, I have heard of them. Isn't he the guy that copyrighted the common law irrevocable trust?
But you forgot the ecclesiastical part. It is quite a mouthful, but it is the best thing next to ketchup on steak. The school is incredible. Trust is non-taxable and non-reporting. Such a beautiful thing. Trust made it easy to set up. Anyone can do it legally and without any attorneys. You do not have to be rich to benefit. The school is also rate #1 with 15 years of experience, using the methods that are 100% proven.
I am curious and excited to learn more. Where can I find out more?
You can visit their website at libertyaidacademy.org. They have lots of great information on there. They have a weekly newsletter you can sign up for, free resources, a blog, and a bunch of other stuff to better educate yourself. And you learn to build credit and other topics too. Removing debt.
Credit building and debt removal courses also. Wow, they could help so many.
Yes, amazing. I did not even mention they have lifetime support and a private student forum. That alone is priceless.
Yes, I have to agree. What other school do you know that does this?
They have testimonials with signed and notarized affidavits from students. On their YouTube channel, you can find literally hundreds of videos. Live every Thursday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And let's not forget about the YouTube mentorship program. Everyone should be doing this. Everyone needs to get the McCaig Mastery Bundle. It includes all of the courses and at a huge discounted price. Thank you, Joe.
Yes, this is great information. Thank you, Mr. President. It has been a pleasure speaking with you today.